Okay, just a couple of quick things to cover here using Gmail and using Google Drive. So this is a fresh Gmail account. You've just opened one up perhaps so you can have access to Google Drive, which is really handy for sharing documents. One thing I want to do, the default now is Google's going to include these social and promotions tabs. So instead of seeing everything in your inbox, you'll have to click on these tabs. Now this is a new account, there's nothing in them. But if there was, I wouldn't be seeing this in my primary inbox. Personally, I like checking all my mail from one spot, so I want to turn those off. I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, and here's another personal preference, so I go to this gear icon in the upper right, click it. And first, this is pretty bland. I like a little background to my dashboard. So I can go here to the theme settings, view all, and I can choose any of these. Right? And it'll change my inbox to a little bit better on the eyes. But maybe I just want a plain inbox. And then click Save. So now it's a little more palatable, perhaps. But I go to Settings now, and I want to go to See All Settings. I want to get rid of those two tabs. I go to the Inbox link here, and notice the social and promotions are checked. So I uncheck them, scroll down to the bottom, and Save Changes. And now those tabs go away. Everything that comes in is going to be in my inbox, not going to be elsewhere. Now the second thing I want to show you is if I go to the 9 dots in the upper right for apps, this is just a shortcut to get there, and I go to Drive, I want to make sure when I share a file that I want comments on, and I share it, but I want to be notified when people leave comments. So once again, I go to the gear icon for settings. I go to settings, and I want to go to notifications, and I want to make sure that this get all updates about Google Drive items via email is checked and done. Now, when I share an article, share something with you, and by the way, I do the Google Docs, let's say, and I create a new document, and I have something I've written here that I want to share with you, and I want you to comment on. Then I'm going to go to Share. I'm going to type your email address in there, or I can just get the link down here and copy it and send. But one thing I want to make sure of is that when I do share, and I guess I just can't get rid of that thing, I want to make sure that this is not restricted but changed to anyone with the link, perhaps. If you want to restrict it, restrict it. And I want to make sure that commenting privileges are turned on. See how I did that? I'm going to change it to anyone with the link. I'm going to make sure that this says commenter, so you can leave comments, and then I can copy that link. I can send it to you by email, or I can text it to you, or I can add you up here. I can add your email address and send it directly to you. So if there's any confusion there, just let me know, but hopefully you'll see a few simple things there: how to clear out your inbox, how to make sure that you're receiving notifications, and how to share with commenting privileges. Okay, any questions, let me know.